Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to use Peachtree accounting software, step by step, so you can manage your business finances like a pro, even if you're just getting started. First off, set up your company profile. Enter basic info like business name, address, tax ID, and fiscal year. Next, create your chart of accounts. This is where you organize assets, liabilities, income, and expenses based on your business type. Then enter opening balances for each account to start fresh and keep accurate records. Now, track income and expenses by creating journal entries or using the built-in forms for invoices, bills, and payments. Use the payroll feature to run employee paychecks, calculate taxes, and print pay stubs. Just make sure everything is set up correctly from the start. Also, run financial reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow to check your business health regularly. And finally, back up your data often to avoid losing important financial info. So should you feel overwhelmed? Not anymore. With these steps, you're ready to use Peachtree with confidence. Let me know in the comments if you've used Peachtree before. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.